Hi, my name is Mark. I'd like to show you around our Mercedes Sprinter 311 CDI long wheelbase drop side truck with toolbox. This is a 2007 model, it's a one owner from new and comes with a spare key. As you can see, you can purchase our Mercedes Sprinter for as little as £60 per week. Showing you into the front of the cab area, you can see it has been kept clean and tidy by the previous owner. Looking into the toolbox, you can see it's got access from both sides with a divider in the middle. Now it's got alley drop sides, all in good condition. Also benefits from having a rear tow ball and hitch. Once again, as you can see, access clear through both sides. I'm now going to show you into the engine bay of our Mercedes Sprinter drop side truck. If you look down to the engine bay, you can see the level here is at the correct marker where it needs to be. It's a clean and tidy engine with no oil leaks, and once again here the level is at the correct mark where it needs to be. Okay, so this is now the final part of the video appraisal on the road test of our Mercedes Sprinter drop side truck with toolbox, where I'm going to be demonstrating for you today how lovely the gearbox is, the steering and the brakes. But firstly, let's get the engine started up. There we go. As you can see, it starts up straight away with no dashboard warning lights on, and there's no unusual noises coming from the engine. Now, part of the video appraisal on the road test is to get up to 60 miles an hour so I can demonstrate to you the gears, the steering and the brakes, and talk about any features that this drop side truck has. As I said earlier part of the video, it's the 311 model. This is the automatic gearbox. It's got a lovely gearbox, which I'll demonstrate for you how nice it goes through. Now, the drop side truck also comes complete with electric windows, and we've got a CD player as well. Now, if I take the hands off the steering wheel, you see it's driving in an absolute straight line. I'm going to give the steering wheel a bit of a jiggle. There we go. It's really nice and positive. And now on the Bruce roundabout, I'm just going to be testing out and demonstrating the brakes for you today. So now, brake in, take the hands off the steering wheel. There we go. As you can see, there's no juddering, no pulling. And that's the final part of the video appraisal and the road test of our Mercedes Sprinter drop side truck toolbox. Thank you very much for watching this video.